Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies eggless. We'll explore several easy substitutes you likely already have in your kitchen. You can still create wonderfully chewy or crispy cookies, perfect for any occasion. This method simplifies the process, ensuring your treats are both delicious and accessible for everyone. Get ready to bake some amazing egg-free delights. Many common ingredients can replace eggs effectively. For example, 1/4 cup of mashed banana works well for 1 egg, adding moisture and a subtle flavor. A flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, is another excellent binder. Applesauce or pureed silken tofu can also provide the necessary structure and moisture. Accurate measurement is key for eggless baking. First, ensure all your wet ingredients, including your chosen egg substitute, are precisely measured and well mixed in one bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so be gentle. Once your dough is ready, drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to the recipe's recommended temperature, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until the edges are lightly golden and the centers appear set, usually for 8 to 12 minutes. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.